Thanks to MCTA for the support, I realized something important. I wanted a career. Hi, I'm Daksh and today I work with Guardian Assessment Private Limited as a digital marketing trainee where I handle social media platforms, email campaigns and as well as I generate quality leads for the growth of my company. What's exciting isn't just the job, it's seeing the real impact from the skills that I have learned. But things didn't start here. Earlier, I worked with View Facility managing service for various products and services. It was my first exposure to the professional world, and while the role helped me improve my communication and teamwork, I realized something important. It wasn't a skill-based job, and that made all of the difference. The truth is that the non-skill roles often come with limited growth and lower pay. I wanted more. I wanted a career where my skills would have been valued and rewarded. That's when I began exploring what high-income skills I could earn. I wanted something that not only offered job opportunities but could also open doors to freelancing and multiple income streams. That's when I discovered digital marketing. It fascinated me, the creative field with endless possibilities from social media and content to SEO, email marketing and beyond. I enrolled in the PG program in digital marketing at MCTA, and that decision changed everything. The training was hands-on, practical and aligned with real industry needs. I worked on live tools, managed real campaigns and gained the confidence to step into the digital space professionally. What truly stood out was the placement support. The team at MCTA was always there to guide me through mock interviews, resume building and even answering the smallest of questions. Thanks to MCTA for the support helped me to land to my current job role even when I am pursuing my last year of BCom.